All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is lesson 1 for module 1. We're going to be talking about this place value chart. And I want you to notice that we have a ones column all the way to the right, and it goes all the way to millions. Our focus today is going to be ones through the thousands, and we're going to be using discs, whether or not you want to use real discs or you want to just use your marker, either one doesn't matter. So the big thing that we're looking at today is we're trying to solve that 110 is 10 times as many as 1, 1. That's our goal today. 110 is 10 times as many as 1, 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with a disc right here. And who can tell me what that's worth? Well, it's worth 1. We have 1 in the ones place. The unit is a 1. It's ones. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to draw ones in this place. And let's go ahead and count them. So you're going to do this along with me. 1, 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones, 10 ones. So we have 10 ones. Well, another way to say 10 ones is to relabel it. There's a larger unit we can make, and that is called a 10. So if I have 10 ones, that's the same as saying 110. They're the same thing. They are equal. Now, let's imagine we want to look at what we had written up here, that 110 is 10 times as many as 1, 1. So 110 is 10 times the 1, because 10 times 1 is 10. So 110 is 10 times as many as 1, 1. We wouldn't say 10 times as many as 10 ones, because that's 10 times 10. We're saying 110 is 10 times as many as 1, 1. 10 times 1 gives me 10. So now, instead of saying 110 is 10 times as many as 1, 1, we're going to change this. And we're going to say 100 is 10 times as many as 110. Because if I have 110 here, and I come up with 10 of them, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I have 10 tens, 100 is the same as 10 tens. So 100 is 10 times as many as 110. 100 is 10 times as many as 110. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I have 10 tens. So 100 is the same as 10 times as many as 10 tens, or 10 times 10 equals 100. Now we're going to go one step further. 1,000, I don't have space, see that, is 10 times as many as 100. So if I have 100 here, and we know it takes 10 of them to regroup, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000 or 1,000. So 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. So 1,000 is 10 times 100. I have 10 hundreds. equals 1,000. Did you notice how from when we went from ones to tens, we moved a whole place? We shifted to the left. So 10 times makes us shift to the left. When we had 10 tens, we shifted once to the left to get 100. When we had 10 hundreds, we shifted once to the left to get 1,000. If I had 10 thousands, where would I shift? Yeah, you should have said to the 10 thousands. So I have 10,000 coins or 10,000 discs. It shifts me over to the thousands. So I have 10,000, and so on. All right, we're going to have 2 ones, and this time I just made them dots because you know it's in the ones column. So if I have 2 ones, let's imagine we want to find 10 times 2 ones. 10 times as many as 2 ones. So if I did 10 times 2 ones, this first one I would do 10 times. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because 10 times 1 is 10. But I have to do it for this original one as well. 10 times 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we know if we have 10 ones, that's the same as a 10. And then those are done. If we have 10 ones, that's the same as a 10. And those are done. So we truly have 2 tens, or 20. So 10 times 2 ones equals 20, or 2 tens, or 20 ones. Oh, that looks like 200 ones. That's bad. 20 ones. They're all the same thing. Let's imagine I want to do 10 times as many as 7 hundreds. So if I have 7 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say I have 7 hundreds, but I want to do 10 times as many. Well, we know 10 times 1 is 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to do it for every single one. 10 times 7 hundreds. You have to do 10 times each of the hundreds. 10 times 7 hundreds. I've only done 10 times 3 hundreds. I need to keep going. 10 times 7 hundreds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I've almost got them all done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 times 7 hundreds. But I can't have them all here. That's way more than should be in a place. So what I have to do is I know that 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. Done. This whole group, same as 1,000. Done. This whole group, same as 1,000. Done. This whole group, same as 1,000. Done. Whole group, same as 1,000. Done. And for all of them, because 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. Therefore, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,000. Very well done.